Hi, good day everyone. In this video we will show you how to make a fiberglass tank.
The material and tool that needed is a roller, a half 1 liter water, scissor, ruler, mark pen, epoxy resin, epoxy hardener, color pigment, mold release wax, glove, mask, sandpaper, brush, and fiberglass mat, and not to forget a mold.
First, we apply wax to the mold. This can make the fiberglass tank easier to remove after drying.
Next, measure the fiberglass mat needed according to our mold.
Mark a line on the fiberglass mat and cut it out with scissors. Remember to wear gloves in this process because the fiberglass mat can injure our skin. Next, pour epoxy resin into the bottle. The ratio of resins to fiberglass is 2.5 to 1. For example, 1 kg of fiberglass required 2.5 kg of resin. Next, we apply a bottle cap of hardener into the resins. The amount of hardener will affect the duration of fiberglass to dry.
Next, we add a few drops of color pigment to the mixture. Next, we place the fiberglass mat on the mold and apply the mixture on it.
Continuously apply the mixture on the fiberglass mat until it absorbs and becomes wet. At the same time, we can also use a roller to roll the surface of the fiberglass. This can ensure the fiberglass to stick on the mold, and at the same time also can remove the air inside the mat.
Next, we can hold the fiberglass mat with roller or brush to make sure the fiberglass mat forms a shape we want.
Next, cut the extra fiberglass mat.
After that, dry it in a safe and good ventilation place. Unluckily, after 1 week of drying, our fiberglass tank failed to form a proper shape. We speculate that this is because we used the wrong amount of hardener. Since we only added a bottle cup of hardener, the ratio of hardener to resin supposed to be 1 to 2 ratio. Some other brand of epoxy hardener might require different amount. So, we should refer to the instruction on the bottle. But we did not feel frustrated. Instead, we learned valuable knowledge from it, and we believe practice makes perfect. Thank you for watching.